So what's up guys? It's a very special day today, May 18, 2026. So una kasi 30 days na ng aking daddy, ng aking tatay. At second is makukuha na natin today yung first big bike and dream big bike ko. So samahan nyo ako ngayon sa Royal Enfield, Fairview, Quezon City. Let's go! Siyempre, kailangan muna nating kilalanin yung motor. Dito, tinuruan muna ako ng basic controls. Paano gamitin yung buttons, settings, display, and important features na kailangan mong malaman before riding. Isa sa feature ng Himalayan 450 is yung Tripper Dash. Full digital display siya na may navigation feature na pwede mong i-connect yung phone mo at gamitin ang Google Maps turn-by-turn navigation. Pinakita rin sa akin yung ibang special features like ride-by-wire throttle, switchable ABS, LED lights, USB charging port, at yung different ride modes depende sa road condition.
Na-explain ko naman yung motor. Warranty sir, sa ako pa rin.
Okay.
Masakop lang ng warranty natin, engine, tsaka wiring.
Okay.
Pero yung mga moving parts, hindi natin
Okay.
kasama. Mga brake pads, tire.
So ano yung next natin after 500?
500, next mo dyan, 2,000.
2,000. Okay.
Persons, contact ako pa din. Part service, ako yan sir. After sales, ako pa rin. Then, fuel tank, di pwedeng wala, hindi ata. Diba? Mga crash guard, compact crash guard, meron tayo dito sir.
Nakita ko.
Ito pang email.
Yung sa baba.
Paalam dito sir.
Royal Enfield welcoming kit ang tawag. So, check muna natin yung laman, okay? Dito ko na yun bubuksan. So, ang welcoming kit nila ay anong mga nilalaman? Uy, meron silang keychain. Very retro ang dating, oh. Leather and metal. Okay? Next. So, next is yung meron silang binigay na free headgear. Okay? Next natin, meron din silang free mug. Royal Enfield mug. So, ayan. So, ganda nito, ha? Parang kakaiba yung mug nila. Ang ganda. So, wait lang. Meron pang parang badge. So, Royal Enfield badge. Wow. And meron din silang meron din silang pin, Royal Enfield pin. So, ayun lang. Thank you. Thank you, Royal Enfield, sa mga freebies. Siyempre, ang Royal Enfield Fairview ay kapartner ng LABL. So, ang LABL is Living a Balanced Life. So, binigyan din nila tayo ng free LABL riding jersey. Ang ganda, oh. So, bagay na bagay yung kulay niya sa color ng ating motorcycle. So, tara. Alis na tayo. Kunin na natin. Ride na tayo, guys. Let's go. Royal Enfield is a brand with a very long history. Started way back 1901 and until now, dala pa rin niya yung classic look, strong character, and old school soul na gustong-gusto ng riders. Pero itong Himalayan 450, ibang level na. This is the new generation Himalayan built for the mountains, rough roads, long rides, and everyday adventures. The new Sherpa 450 engine, liquid-cooled, mas powerful, mas modern, and mas ready for any road. Hindi siya yung motor na pang display lang. This bike is made to be used, to be tested, and to bring you to places na hindi mo pa napupuntahan. For me, this is more than just buying a motorcycle. This is freedom. This is adventure, and this is the beginning of my Himalayan 450 journey.